How can you take ibuprofen with coffee? When you're experiencing pain, knowing what you can and cannot do is essential. Learn about the risks of taking ibuprofen with coffee and what to consider before deciding whether or not you should do it. There are lots of tips and tricks for staying healthy, things you should probably know about taking care of yourself and your health. This video contains information you may not have thought about before. How can you take ibuprofen with coffee? What is ibuprofen? Ibuprofen is a medication that is used to treat pain and inflammation. Ibuprofen is available over the counter, OTC, in many countries. Ibuprofen can be taken with coffee, tea, or other beverages. How does caffeine affect the body? Caffeine is a stimulant that is found in many different types of drinks and foods. It is also found in over-the-counter medications, such as ibuprofen. Caffeine can affect the body in a few ways. It can boost energy and alertness first. Second, it might make painkillers less effective. Third, it may result in sleeplessness and anxiety. And last, it may raise your risk of developing cardiac issues. Caffeine is a stimulant that can affect the body in several ways. The most well-known effect of caffeine is its ability to increase energy levels. However, caffeine can also affect other parts of the body. For example, caffeine can dehydrate you if you drink too much and cause heartburn. Additionally, caffeine can interact with other medications you are taking, so it is essential to talk to your doctor about how caffeine will affect your specific situation. Ibuprofen is a medication that can be taken to relieve pain. However, it's essential to be aware that ibuprofen can interact with coffee, so bringing them together is not recommended. Taking ibuprofen with coffee can increase the risk of side effects such as stomach and intestinal bleeding. So, it's best to avoid taking them together if possible. Can you take ibuprofen with coffee? The answer is yes, you can. In fact, many people find that this combination works well for them. Ibuprofen is an anti-inflammatory medication, and caffeine is a stimulant. Together, they work to relieve pain and inflammation. However, as with any medication and caffeine combination, be sure to speak with your doctor before taking ibuprofen if you have any medical conditions. Side effects and precautions of mixing ibuprofen and caffeine. When mixing ibuprofen and caffeine, it is essential to be aware of the side effects and precautions. Ibuprofen can cause stomach upset, drowsiness, and dizziness when taken with coffee. If these symptoms are severe, it is recommended that you avoid mixing ibuprofen and caffeine altogether. Additionally, taking ibuprofen with other medications can increase the risk of adverse effects. It is always best to speak with a doctor before taking any medication, and be sure to read the label carefully for any interactions that may occur. The health benefits of coffee are well known, but what about the potential side effects of mixing ibuprofen and caffeine? Here are some facts to keep in mind. Ibuprofen and caffeine can interact negatively. Side effects include increased heart rate, nervousness, and even seizures. These effects are more likely when the combined dosages are more significant than 800 mg of ibuprofen daily. Ibuprofen should not be taken with other medications that affect the central nervous system, CNS. This includes prescription medications, over-the-counter medications, and herbal supplements. If you are taking ibuprofen and another CNS medication, you must speak with your doctor about how to safely combine them. Thank you for watching. coffeeeternal.com